Hello friends, welcome to Surya Yoga Center, Parvatipuram. Today we are going to learn some supine postures like Chakrasan, Ardhasirshasan, Sirshasan. Now the first one, Chakrasan or wheel pose. Relax posture. Shavasana, Sthiti, supine posture. Place the palms on either side of the head on the ground. Fingers pointing towards the back. Fold the legs. Inhale with the support of palms and the feet. Raise the trunk like arch. Normal breathe. Maintain 30 seconds. Exhale. Come back slowly. Supine posture. Relax with Savasana. Benefits: good flexibility to spine, stimulates and activates all parts of the body, straightens the arms, shoulders and legs. Limitations: those who are free from diseases can do this asana. Now Ardha Sirsasana. Relax posture. Shithila Dandasana. Sthiti. Dandasana. Come. Place the four-fold blanket in front of you. Place the interlocked fingers on the blanket. Elbows nearer. Place the head on the blanket between the interlocked hands. Slowly raise the buttocks. Lift the knees and straighten the legs. Stretch up heels. Stand on toes. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Slowly bend the legs at the knees. Touch the knees to the floor. Slowly come back to Vajrasana. Benefits: prepares for Sirsasana. Useful for tension headache. Limitations: people with high BP, heart problems, ear problems, myopia, severe asthma, cold or sinusitis, slipped disc, weak spine should not practice. Now the third one, Sirsasana. From Ardha Sirsasana, slowly walk towards the trunk until the back reaches vertical. Bend the knees. Press the thighs against the abdomen. Transfer the body weight from the toes onto the head and arms. Lift the feet off the ground. Balance on the head and the arms. Slowly the legs move up. Straighten the knees. Now the body should be in one line. Balance the body. Maintain the position for 30 seconds with a normal breath. Return to Vajrasana, reversing the steps. Make a fist of both the palms. Place them one above the other in front of the knees. Slowly bend forward to rest the forehead on the fist. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breath. Then relax in Tadasana. Benefits: due to improved blood circulation to the brain, the whole nervous system becomes healthy. Improves memory. The pituitary and thyroid glands revitalized. Helpful to hernia. Improves concentration power. Limitations: ear trouble, heart trouble, high BP, and weak eye capillaries should not practice Sirsasana. Thank you to all.